Sree Narayana Paramagurave Namah. Respected President of Sree Narayana Dharma Sangam Trust, Brahmasri Sachidananda Swamigal, the chief guest for today, Honorable Consul General of India to Birmingham, His Excellency Sri Venkatachalam Murugan, Secretary Sree Narayana Dharma Sangam Trust, Srimad Subhangananda Swamigal, other dignitaries, Sri N.K. Premachandran, Member of Parliament, dear friends and fellow devotees of Sree Narayana Guru. It's my great pleasure and profound reverence that I stand before you to speak about the vision that seeks to unite, uplift and empower millions who have been touched by timeless teachings of Sree Narayana Guru. During the speech of Sri N.K. Premachandran, he has already mentioned about the Sree Narayana Guru Global Empowerment Organization. Today, we will be unveiling the logo of Sree Narayana Guru Global Empowerment Organization. In short, it's called SNGEO. I will just brief about the vision and mission of Sree Narayana Guru Global Empowerment Organization and how it's going to be function. Guru's message of social equality, spiritual unity and economic upliftment has transcended borders and generations. While his birthplace was in Kerala, his influence has traveled far from villages of India to cities of Middle East and from shores of Europe to herds of people in Australia and North America. Guru's philosophy continues to inspire communities to rise above divisions and walk the path of wisdom, compassion and self-realization. Communities such as Jains and Sikh have made remarkable progress by organizing themselves globally in the fields of business, education and social service. Likewise, the followers of Sree Narayana Guru have contributed significantly to society, but now is the time to come together under a unified global platform that reflects the true spirit and transformative power of Guru's teachings. With the noble intention, we propose the formation of Sree Narayana Guru Global Empowerment Organization, in short SNGEO. Our mission is to bring together the global followers of Sree Narayana Guru and build a vibrant network that promotes socio-economic empowerment, spiritual enlightenment, education and community welfare. Our vision is to create a world where Guru's principles inspire prosperity, harmony and selfless service, a world where our community stands united, educated and empowered to serve humanity. Let me now share 4 core objectives that will guide the work of SNGO. The first one is economic empowerment. We will foster entrepreneurship, encourage mutual business cooperation, and explore investment opportunities that uplift individuals and communities alike. The number 2 is spiritual upliftment. We aim to propagate Guru's teaching across globe through discourses, retreats, pilgrimages, and digital platforms that nurture spiritual growth and moral clarity. The third one is education, Vidya. We will establish institutions, offer scholarships, and create mentorship programs that support our youth in pursuing academic excellence and global skill development. The fourth one is service, means Seva. We will engage meaningful community service through health camps, welfare programs, and timely disaster relief, all inspired by selfless ideas of our beloved Guru Sree Narayana. The formal launch of the logo of Sree Narayana Guru Global Empowerment Organization here marks an historic milestone in uniting the global followers of Sree Narayana Guru under a common banner of progress and purpose. The London launch signifies the beginning of a vibrant global chapter connecting the diaspora and reinforcing the organization's mission to build a prosperous, spiritually enriched and united community inspired by Guru's ideas. The logo stands as symbol of unity, progress and collective strength, a visual representation of global movement that honors heritage while building a future filled with hope, dignity, and harmony. Rooted in the timeless vision of Guru, one caste, one religion, one God for mankind, SNGO aspires to be a transformative global movement dedicated to economic empowerment, educational advancement, spiritual harmony, and inclusive community development. Dear friends, SNGO is not just an organization, it is a movement, a call to action, a sacred commitment to realize Guru's dream of just, enlightened, and compassionate society. Let us come together with humility in our hearts and strength in our unity and offer this platform as a tribute to one of our greatest visionaries of the world has ever known. Let us rise together for Guru, for Dharma, and for humanity. Thank you very much. I request the chief guest of today, Sree His Excellency Sri Venkatachalam Murugan and Swamiji Sachidananda to unveil the logo. Thank you very much.